Today is Saturday, February 8th, 2014. As you can tell, we've had a snowstorm. We're just here at home. Got quite a bit of snow going on here in the ground. Some nice deep footprints, about 9 inches of it so far. And well, we've been having a little bit of fun. Nice, quiet neighborhood, all nice and peaceful. Cars covered in snow. Da-da-da. And then you come up to what we have created. Not yet. Woo! Haha! And now you've got the homemade sled luge. It started out as a little small project. Dun 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 dun. Now this bad boy started out as just a small little pile of snow that went off the stairs for a little 6-year-old to go down. And then it's grown. As you can tell, it gets a little bit bigger. Whoa! As I fall back down the steps.
And then, you sure you don't want to go down there and get it?
I'm going to get you from up here.
All right. There we go.
It goes all the way on the other side. Hey, we never get snowstorms like this in Keizer, Oregon. At least not in the past 20 years that I've been here. So, we had to have a little fun with it. You guys have a great night. Enjoy the snow while you can.